everyone, welcome to my channel The Healthy Glow. Today's video is all about how to deal with high blood pressure. We all know that how common high blood pressure is nowadays, and we all have been suffering more or less with high blood pressure after a certain age group. So high blood pressure is something that we need to deal with certain lifestyle habits as well as foods. So in this video, I am going to suggest you 5 lifestyle habits that is going to lower down your high blood pressure, as well as 10 foods that will help you to cut down the high blood pressure. So here we go. First, let me tell you what is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. Each time your heart beats, it pumps the blood into the artery. Your blood pressure is highest when your heart beats, pumping the blood. This is called the systolic pressure. And when your heart is at rest between two beats, means when it does not pump blood and is between two beats, then your blood pressure falls. And that is known as diastolic pressure. Now let me start with my suggestions of 5 lifestyle changes that may help you to lower down your high blood pressure. Lose the extra pounds, especially around your waistline. And for that, we all know we need to exercise, especially those exercises which may reduce our waistline. Reduce sodium in your diet. That means cut out the salt. Instead, take the potassium. Reduce your stress. Quit smoking, drinking, and caffeine. Eat a healthy, balanced diet and get a good sleep. Number 1, garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which is responsible for numerous health benefits. Research suggests that garlic increases production of nitric oxide in our body that helps to soothe muscles to relax and blood vessels to dilate. These changes can reduce hypertension. Garlic extract can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive people and promotes the health of our heart. Number 2, salmon and other fatty fishes, which include omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon and other fatty fishes are excellent sources of omega-3. These fats helps to reduce blood pressure levels by reducing the inflammation and decreasing levels of blood vessel constricting compounds called oxalipins. Number 3, beet and beetroot. Drinking beet juice can reduce blood pressures in short and long terms. Researchers suggest that beets' high level of inorganic nitrate cause reduction in blood pressure. Add beets to salads or prepare vegetables or as a side dish. It can be beneficial in many ways. Number 4, leafy green vegetables like cabbage, spinach, lettuce. Leafy green vegetables are rich in nitrates which help to manage blood pressure. Some research suggests that eating 1 to 2 serving of nitrate-rich vegetables can reduce hypertension for up to 24 hours. Number 5, berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants including anthocyanins which potentially reduce the risk of heart diseases. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, cranberries are some of the many berries that have been associated with blood pressure reducing effects. Number 6, chia seeds and flax seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritious seeds rich in magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids. Because of their potential health benefits, they are popular addition in smoothies, salads, and cereals. Both chia seeds and flax seeds have high nutritional value containing high levels of fiber that can improve digestion, aiding regular bowel movements and relieving constipation. They also aid in stabilizing blood pressure levels and decreasing risk of heart diseases. Researchers suggest that flax seeds lower blood pressure levels when consumed in whole seed form for 12 weeks or longer than that. Number 7, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are good sources of hypertension fighting resistant starch and vitamin C, as well as being loaded with blood pressure lowering beta carotene. Yes, beta carotene, the reason why you should consume more and more carrots. Rich in potassium and magnesium, you can consume sweet potatoes in so many delicious recipes like roasted sweet potatoes in salads, sweet potato smoothie, soups, or even pies. It is really very delicious. Number 8, bananas and pomegranates. Bananas contain potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in managing hypertension. Pomegranates are rich sources of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. According to research study, drinking 1 cup of pomegranate juice daily for 28 days can lower your blood pressure in short term. Number 9, beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are rich in nutrients that regulate high blood pressure. Research studies show that eating beans and lentils significantly reduces systolic blood pressure and average blood pressure levels in people with and without hypertension. And number 10, cinnamon. Cinnamon also helps to reduce blood pressure, at least in short term. Studies show that cinnamon decreases short term systolic blood pressure. You can add cinnamon to your diet by sprinkling it over oatmeal or freshly chopped fruits, alternative to sugar. So this was all about today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel The Healthy Glow to see more.